Congratulations to all the members, friends, especially starting from Gudakesha first batch members. At the time, Krishna Gangadhar sir and Prasanna madam, they were targeting for 1,000 member subscribers so that we can post the videos live. And every time, every 1,000 members, we used to celebrate. We used to discuss and we used to celebrate 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 6,000. And it's like it was initially lot of work. Everyone, within 1 or 2 days, Prasanna madam asked her colleagues and everyone and subscribed 300 members alone. Only one madam. Okay. So like that, many people involved here in the YouTube to grow this much. Very good. 2 million views అంటే చాలా అద్భుతం. ఎంతో మంది వర్క్ చేసిన అందరికీ కూడా హార్ట్ఫుల్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. చాలా మంచి రోజు ఇవాళ. అండ్ everyone, lot of team members involved here. For everyone, lot of congratulations and best wishes. Directly, who are involved directly, indirectly, I'm very happy for that. Although some names I'm not taking, but of course we are all part of it. So wish you all the best, friends. Thank you.